Now I'm going to show you how to do swipe boss extrude using a guided path. To do that, I'm again gonna select my top plane, make it more visible. I'm creating a straight line. If one path is a straight line, it is easy to draw. So I did my straight line. I'm gonna select one end of my drawing and create a straight line. You can decide what is the length of that line. I'm just drawing any, and then this will be my guided path that I want, which is in a different shape, and I press escape to accept. So now this will be my first path, and this will be my guided path. So I exit sketch, because without that you will not see the plane option in the reference geometry. Come to the plane and then select my first path. It will create a plane. I want perpendicular, right? And I want perpendicular about this point. So I select that point as a second reference, and it created that plane. Now I started from the top plane, so I can directly go to my left view, and it'll show. And then you can draw any sketch on this plane. Now I'm gonna just draw an ellipse. So data is asking for select a plane, so I'm selecting this plane, and from here I'm drawing an ellipse up to this point, and then any shape. You can change that dimension. I say yes. Now to make it more fancy, to have hollow and everything, I just create offset entities. Point 2, I can do reverse, it will be inside, and then I say yes. So it created that for us. So I can exit my sketch, and now I'm gonna make it look like a 3D view to see what's going on here. Yeah, so I have my drawing that I want to go or extrude, swipe extrude along this path, but also follow the guided line. That way this swipe will be variable dimension. So I come to feature and then select swipe boss, and it is selecting a sketch. Okay, so it selected that is sketch already. If not, you can just select either one circle. Let me show you. I can just delete that and then select any of the circle, right? And then it is asking for the path. I select this path, and then it already followed that guided line. Okay, and so I say yes, and now you see it created a path along that line. Though I selected this is my extrude path, so, and it has a very variable dimension, right? So thank you.